In this simple tutorial, I'll teach you how to adjust the price on your cleaning fee for your Airbnb listing. It's super easy to do so. The first step, you want to click on the calendar under the hosting side for Airbnb. From there, on the right hand side, you're going to click on price settings. And then if you go all the way to the bottom under additional charges, you're going to click on fees. From there, one of the first ones you're going to see is cleaning fee. So the first one's going to be per stay, and then you can just update the price right here. For my area, it goes around $100 per cleaning fee, and I like to go a little bit below. That way guests are pretty excited when they see that, so I'll save mine for $75. You do have the option too for short stays, so 1 to 2 days, you could adjust the price to incentivize someone to book your stay over someone else's. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, such as finding cleaners in your area or just automating Airbnb, and interested in more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe and check out our newsletter and website. See you in the next one.